everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the circulatory system. In the human body, there are different kinds of the systems are present. Likewise, one of the systems is circulatory system. Here, the circulation of the blood generally occurs as we know. The main organ which is responsible for the transportation of the blood is heart. Heart is the pumping agent. Heart consisting of 4 chambers. Above 2 are auricles and below 2 are ventricles. Right side of the heart consisting the deoxygenated blood and left side of the heart contains the oxygenated blood. Here veins and arteries are present. Arteries pumps the blood away from the heart. Veins carries the blood to the heart. If you observe very clearly, oxygenated blood which is present in the left side of the heart can be transported to the various parts of the body by using the arteries. The largest artery is aorta. And left side, the used up, whatever the oxygen used up by the organs, the blood becomes deoxygenated. That deoxygenated blood can be transported to the right side of the heart by the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. If you observe very clearly, in the human body, 2 types of circulations are present. We call that it as double circulatory system. Here, the 2 types of circulatory systems are, one is pulmonary circulatory system and another one is systemic circulatory system. Pulmonary circulatory system. Pulmonary means lungs, which happens at the lungs. Lungs are the center here. How it occurs? If you observe, the oxygenated blood which is present in the left side of the heart can be transported to the different parts of the body, and when it becomes deoxygenated, that deoxygenated blood can be collected by the veins to the right side of the heart. From the right side of the heart, that deoxygenated blood passes to the lungs. Lungs can purify that blood. The deoxygenated blood, whatever the carbon dioxide present in the blood can be collected up by the lungs, and that blood is going to fill it up with the oxygen. When it enriched with the oxygen, that blood can be transported to the left side of the heart. From the left side of the heart, it can be pumped to the various parts of the body. Here lungs are the center. Lungs are performing the functions. That's the reason first circulation is pulmonary circulation. First type of circulation is known as pulmonary circulation. Pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein functions here. And next, let us know about systemic circulation. The systemic circulation is nothing but pumping of blood, means the oxygenated blood which is present in the heart can be pumped to the various parts of the body, means which is present in the right side of the heart, left side of the heart can be pumped to the various parts of the body, and that function means when the organs used up the oxygen, when it becomes the deoxygenated, that deoxygenated blood can be transported to the right side of the heart. That function which occurs as the center of the center is heart. In that function, the main organ which is responsible for that functions are heart. These functions are occurring as the center of the heart, at the center of the heart. So that's the reason these functions all these functions are come under systemic circulatory system. Systemic circulatory system as well as the pulmonary circulatory system. In this systemic circulatory system, we have another 2 circulatory systems. One is hepatic portal circulatory system. In this hepatic portal circulatory system, liver plays a major role. It is an intermediate. In this hepatic portal circulatory system, the glucose is the glycolysis is generally happens in the liver. That is happening by the hepatic portal veins. In this, hepatic portal veins carries the deoxygenated blood to the liver first and from the liver to the heart. In that case, we can call liver as an intermediate. Next, coronary portal circulatory system. Coronary portal circulatory system in the sense, even in the heart also deoxygenated blood is present. It can also prepare the deoxygenated blood. That deoxygenated blood pumping to the right side of the heart and oxygenated blood even to the right side of the heart. That function is known as coronary portal circulatory system. Likewise, the circulatory systems are differentiated into two types. So, coronary portal circulatory system, hepatic portal circulatory system, which are in systemic circulatory system.